5 marvelous ways to make money with AI art. And make it rain! Create and sell merchandise. Stable Diffusion and Midjourney allows you to create infinite repeating patterns, which are perfect for creating merchandise. For example, you make some jolly good leggings. You can see on this print-on-demand service Redbubble. Another way to use this new feature is to create wallpapers. On this site, Spoonflower, you can create your own wallpapers just by uploading a repeatable tile. If you want to learn how to make tiles inside of Midjourney, check out this video here. And did you know that over 2 billion t-shirts are sold every single year? So there is a huge opportunity to take a small slice of that market. You have the opportunity to appeal to people's tribal nature. You might have I love the Mongol Empire for all those Genghis Khan fans out there. Go Genghis. Go Genghis, we love you. The next thing you can do is sell logos. People are willing to spend unreasonably large amounts of money on a logo. For example, this logo created by BP cost over $210 million. That's a lot of money for this. I could make that with a spirograph in 10 seconds. I recommend using DALL for creating logos. Here are a few that I made earlier. Bum, bum, bum. I can imagine this working very well for a children's brand. So if you don't have large corporations willing to pay you millions of dollars for your tiny little logo, you can also advertise your services on Fiverr. For example, here is a person offering some pretty reasonable logos here for $70 each. And you can see that these are the kind of thing that you could easily recreate very quickly inside of DALL. Number 3 is you can make a tool. For example, Getty Images has recently said that they are banning all AI art available. So why not create a stock site purely for AI art? That is the unique angle. Create other tools related to AI art. For example, upscaling enhancers or animation techniques. I've been using this Hugging Face frame interpolation animator to create animations like this, but there are some severe limitations with it. It has a maximum resolution and it only allows you to upload 2 images at a time. So I think there's an opportunity to create an AI art animator using frame interpolation and high resolution images. Next up is selling prompts. You can actually sell your prompts on promptbase.com, which is a marketplace for prompts. You can see that people are offering very distinctive looks for a low price between $2 and $5. I've been selling a prompt on here. I put one up and it's sold more than 20 already in just a couple of weeks. So imagine if you put 100 or 1,000 on there, you can get yourself a pretty reasonable regular income. So here is something that you can do that is completely legal, but whether it's ethical is another question, is you can come into the community feed. You can select something that you particularly like from Midjourney and you can copy the prompt. You can then adjust it a little bit. Like for example, this would work really well. You could have a series of felt animals, which you can upload onto PromptBase. Wait, why am I telling you this? I should do it myself. No, I won't do it myself. A simple way to start making some money. And I think as long as you're adjusting enough, you can easily do that without feeling guilty. It's a cutthroat world out there. It's a money-making madness. What has capitalism done to people? We've lost all ethics and notion of love and humanity. Yes, it seems that now people are dealing in prompts. Hey man, you want some prompts? I got some good prompts here, yeah. You like a nice big prompt, don't you? So the next option is to create personalized AI art portraits. As it's now possible to take Stable Diffusion and train it on your own images, you can very quickly put someone that you know into your artwork. I've been making some portraits of people that I admire and have recently died, just to pay homage to them. This is the Queen, and this is Robbie Coltrane. Rest in peace, Hagrid. Thank you. You're a wizard, Harry. On Etsy, people are offering personalized portraits for a fee. So you can offer your services of creating personalized AI art portraits. You could even automate this and set it up. You could also do the same with a very specific character who has a loyal fan base. So if you take someone who's a little bit obscure and create some great fan art about them, you'll be able to offer these as prints for download or actual framed prints too. If you'd like to see how I made the Queen, you can check out this video here. Next up is you can create a graphic novel. Another way to approach this instead of writing your own book is to take an old, out of copyright book and create an illustrated version of it, where you're literally just taking it, creating wonderful artworks to interlace throughout the book and selling it as an ebook or a printed version. For example, this illustrated version of Edgar Allan Poe's book is doing very well. It's got over 780 ratings. There's also more information about Zara of the Dawn and the copyright issue in this video. If you're interested in learning more about AI art, I've created an entire course on Udemy where we will go through together creating and selling AI art in a number of different ways. I've left the description in the link below. If you're not sure yet, there's also another video here on 5 other ways to make money selling AI art. And remember to like, comment, subscribe to stick around for more AI art news. I'm Samson Voles. This is Delightful Design. Have a delightful day. Money, money, money is funny, funny, funny.
And the Grammy goes to Random Access Memories.